Okay, welcome back to my channel. I have another prophetic word for you guys today. The number 4215 may be significant to you. The word is potamos, which is from Greek concordance, which means flood or river, stream, or in essence, drinkable water, fresh water. So a river is a life giver, boundary, path, obstacle, weapon, a symbol of the Holy Spirit and new creation. In the Old Testament, a river is the sign of blessing. So Egypt's Nile in Genesis 41 and the Jordan Valley in Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 7 illustrates divine provision. Now, we're going to look at rivers as a means of judgment. The Nile turned to blood in Exodus chapter 7 verse 20, and the Euphrates swelled against unfaithful Judah in Jeremiah chapter 46 verse 7 to 10. As a means of passage, Israel crosses the Jordan River on dry ground in Joshua 3. In John chapter 7, verse 38, we see the promise of the Spirit. This describes the indwelling Spirit, where it states, streams of water will flow from within him. Streams/rivers link the personal word of the Spirit with the Edenic River, which is divided into 4 heads in Genesis chapter 2, verse 10 to 14. This also hints to worldwide missionary outflow. Now, rivers can be both a danger to the messenger of God or a venue for ministry. As we can see, baptisms and the renewal or the receiving of the Holy Spirit is also prevalent as well. Now, apocalyptic rivers. Let's talk about judgment and restoration. In Revelation chapter 8, verse 10, and chapter 16, verse 4, cosmic judgment is shown where the Nile is turned into blood. In Revelation chapter 9, verse 14, and chapter 16, verse 12, the Euphrates is restrained / dried to summon armies, and this illustrates how God has complete control over international affairs. In Revelation chapter 12, verse 15 to 16, Satan's river of persecution is dried up. Creation itself flows for the people of God. In Revelation chapter 22, verse 1 to 2, a river of water of life, as clear as crystal, flowing from the throne of God and the Lamb. Nourishes the tree of life and heals the nations completely. This is Ezekiel's vision and accurately answers humanity's exile from Eden. Now let's get into themes. Number 1, life from God. Rivers, water from Eden, and the land of promises and the eternal city all have to do with rivers biblically. Cleansing and new beginnings. Jordan's baptism and spiritual birth. Of course, the infamous Jordan River. Number 3, judgment and deliverance. Water can overwhelm or open, and God commands both outcomes according to his will. Number 4, missionary overflow. The Spirit sends living waters through believers to the nations. In summary, this is a recount of Eden lost to Eden restored. This is assuring the people of God that not only can rivers provide grace and restoration and ultimate renewal, but it can also provide and provoke judgment as well. So, thank you for listening to my message. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tune in again for more hidden knowledge. And stay upright, stay obedient, stay blessed, stay in the Word, and continue to be loyal to the covenant. I will see you in the next video. Also, adding on, I forgot the quotation from the Quran. This comes from Al-Furqan, Ayah 22. And the day the angels, or the day they see the angels, no good tidings will there be that day for the criminals. And the angels will say, prevented and inaccessible. I am only the messenger. Have a wonderful day. And assalamu alaikum. Thank you.